Hi there. So as promised, I am going to walk you through setting up your own event. First, you need to go to your Facebook page. I've got mine pulled up as you can see on the screen here. I'm just using my company page. You're going to want to do this on your company page first of all. You don't want to create your event on your personal page, otherwise you can't boost it. So go to your company page, and then over here on the menu, you're going to click Events. And then you'll see right here, if you had events, they would show up here, but you're going to actually create an event for your open house. Let's call mine, so this brings up a screen right here. You're going to be able to change the photo at the top. You're going to give your name an event. We're going to say Open House Saturday. You can call it whatever you want. The address and everything is going to be in here. So you can say the type of house that it is, the location it's going to be in, anything you want it to be. The location, if it's not at your company, which, it probably isn't, you're going to type in the address here. So how about I put in like 1107 East Chapman Avenue, and here it's pulling up some options, so you just select the one that you want in the drop down, because that will bring it up on the map, so people, if they're in your event, they can just click map. Description, this is where you're going to give someone the details of your event. I would probably tell people about the home in here. Give them all the details: bedrooms, bathrooms, what year it was built, what style it is. Talk about the neighborhood here. Give people as much information as you can in the description. Select a category. I'm going to select home. And frequency, we're going to say occurs once. Of course, you would use this if you were having multiple events then under the same type of event. Like you're going to have your open house on 4 different days of the month. You can actually make this a frequency event and do it multiple times. If you have a co-host, you can add them here, like another page if you're partnering with an influencer. Like I'm an influencer for I Heart Old Town Orange. And you might put that in here. And what will happen then is they'll receive an invitation to host it on their page. So if their page has a lot of followers, like iHeart's page has about 20,000 followers, then everyone on that page sees it on their page, sees the event on their Facebook page, which is great. And then you just keep going. It walks you right through. So here's the details. Let people know what to expect at your event. If you have a schedule of things, like at 1 o'clock this is going to happen, at 2 o'clock that's going to happen, you would add your schedule. If you want to type keywords so that you came up in search, you might put in open house. Maybe if it's in Orange, California. Maybe historic home. Just put in some keywords and then click kid friendly if you want them to bring their kids or you don't mind. I would definitely click kid friendly. And then tickets, you're not going to be selling a ticket, but if you were and you were doing it on Eventbrite or somewhere else, you could put any link in here to where someone can buy a ticket. And then down here, you're going to do choose who can edit and post in your event. I would say you want anyone can post in there, because if someone has a question, then they can post it in there and you can answer them. Be sure to monitor your comments. You want to be responding to people and what they might be asking. You don't need to really click post approval unless you really want to be able to approve what everyone's posting. You can always delete something that somebody puts on your page if you don't like it. So just go through this. If you want the guest list to be displayed, that's your choice. You can yes or no on that. And then you would click publish. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to change the cover photo because we didn't do that. So you go to the top and click on the prompt, change photo. You can make it a video too. So just click on the image that you downloaded on your desktop. You can bring them in if you already have posted pictures of your open house on your Facebook page. You can pull it in that way. You can move the photo if you want to position it differently. And, pick a nice room for your cover image to highlight from the home that you're going to have an open house on. And then you can go and publish it. I am going to go ahead and publish this event. And there it is. So Facebook will actually walk you through some things that you can do. This is going to say make your event easy to find, help more people find your event by taking the following actions. So this is where it might have you schedule a post, which is great because you can write something like, I hope to see you at our open house this Saturday. And then you can either post it right then and it will link to your event, or you can schedule this post to go out whenever you want it to go out. Makes it really super easy. If you do schedule it, you are just going to go and you choose your date. I want it to go on Monday at whatever time, and you click schedule. It's super easy. Facebook is so helpful walking you through all of these things. So that's it. That's exactly how you want to create an event. I do want to tell you, you can change your cover photo. You can go in and edit the description. All you do is when you're on your event, you come up here and you click edit. And that's it. Then you can change your cover photo, reposition it. You can change the name of the event, any of the details, the time, what have you. It's really easy to go in. You can cancel your event right here. You just go into edit, cancel event, and then you save your changes. And voila, that's how you set up an event.